it's Maggie, the Cheshire Crafter here. I've been quilting all of Bank Holiday weekend and I've used two tools in my quilting that I'm going to recommend to you. Next time you change your rotary cutter blade, change it for a titanium one. This 45mm blade cost £3.99 from Quilted Bear, delivered to my home, and it cuts like a dream, but I'll give you a warning, it's incredibly sharp. Be careful with your fingers, but it makes cutting so much simpler. If, like me, you're making mistakes when you're writing out your patterns in graph paper, consider a Tombow eraser. You hold it like a pen and push to release more of the eraser rubber. They're around £6 on eBay and you can buy refill erasers.